That's deep. Finally hooked. All right, guys, we're taking advantage of the weather again. The last video a week or so ago, we had a little bit of a thunderstorm roll through, and that brought some cooler temps, and we did pretty well on the banks of Lake Travis. But now we're gonna wade fish in the San Marcos River again. A little bit upstream from where we've launched before with the kayak fishing videos, but we're gonna see what we can do. We're in Martindale, Texas. We're gonna go get out in the water. I got my BFS and my homemade Q-bomb. Let's get out there and hopefully catch some fish and not fall on our ass. How do we get in? We'll figure it out. A little bit muddy, and I certainly don't want to fall and bust my butt. Oh yeah, we can get in right here, I bet. That's what happens when you get old, people. I guess the alternative is worse. Oh, the water's chilly. So, shoo. Let's get over here. Look at all these minnows right here. Can y'all see that? That is really cool. They're like blue, almost neon color. That's deep. Finally hooked a fish. He's small, but he's a drag puller. Nice. Okay. Is he off? He's not off. Good. The BFS and an 1/8 ounce rooster tail. Right about those Rilly pads. Rilly pads. Golly. I'm gonna let you go, bro. It feels weird throwing a ultralight lure on a casting rod, but all right, spot number 2. Spot number 1 was mostly a fail. It's fish time. Just creatures in heaven. Cool. There's one, got one. About frickin' time. Been fishing for hours. Oh, hooked one. Where is it? Is it on? Yes, it's still on. Oh, he's little. He just felt bigger because of the current. Oh, snagged him. He must have come up, swiped at it, and missed. Sorry, Mr. Dude. A little long ear. Ah. Shoot. Another little one. New species anyway. Oh wow. Look at this gorgeous fish. Okay. He is cool. Pumpkin seed. Beautiful pumpkin seed. He's gorgeous. Look at the color. Hey guys, thanks for watching. You know what to do if you enjoyed the video. It was a little surprising how much different the fishing was with the river levels being up about a foot from what they were previously. Had a great time. See you on the next one.